Hi folks, this is Tom Casey from Griffin Service, and today I want to talk to you about our upfront pricing, what we call our fixed rate repair guide. Well, you can figure out from the name, it's all about providing you options up front so you know the price before we begin any work. The old-fashioned time material method was stressful and often ended with you, the customer, being unhappy. Sometimes we'd even hear something like, if I knew it was going to cost that much, I wouldn't have done it. So we converted to providing you everything up front to save you from that stressful surprise of not knowing until the end. Next, our fixed rate system is based off national standards. So you're not overpaying for mistakes or less experienced techs, or even sometimes less well-known systems or models that take a little longer. Plus, with standards comes processes and best practices. So you get the right job every time. And because of those standards and processes, we're proud to offer you our no BS guarantees. So you have no worries knowing when it's done right for your peace of mind. Now here's the thing. We don't calculate based on time and material, so we don't actually know the breakdown. It's just how we work. It's kind of like ordering a steak dinner and then asking how much was the steak or the potato or even the chef's pay. Or maybe a better example is the medical industry, which works in the same manner we do, well, maybe except for the upfront approval part. That's why we always offer you multiple options up front so you can pick the one that makes sense to you. It's always your home, your money, and your decision. And it's always up front. Boom.